Hi, I'm Ian Griffith with Keystone RV. I'm the product manager with Raptor Carbon, and we're standing here in front of our Raptor Carbon Series 29 WFO. The WFO lineup is a new lineup that we have. It includes lightweight aluminum sided models as well as laminated models for travel trailers and fifth wheels. So the WFO lineup, being open concept, do not feature any garage walls. That means that you're going to have more storage for more toys to bring with you on your adventures. This 29 WFO is a non-slide unit, so this is going to be one of the most cost-effective units that we have, but also the lightest weight. But it doesn't come short on features. We've still got the More Ride step above for solid entry steps. We've got the electric stabilizer system as well as a powered tongue jack, and perhaps most importantly, a full-size 8-foot ramp door on this unit here. The Raptor Carbon Series is going to offer a little bit more of a price-conscious entry point for our buyers, and I'm very excited about this piece in particular because this is going to be at a price that we've never offered before, something that allows our buyers to get introduced to and then grow with the brand all the way up to our high-pro luxury fifth wheel toy haulers. So come inside and let's take a look at some of the other great features. So in this unit, we've got a very attractive interior. You also have a bunk bed system. This does raise up to the ceiling and those fold against the wall to make sure that you can get your equipment in here that you're bringing with you. So to convert these into a bed, you simply put away the armrest and swing the top around. And now this is an 84-inch long queen bed. Also featured in here, standard on every Raptor and Carbon Series trailer and fifth wheel, are frame welded tie downs. These are welded directly to the frame and rated at 5,000 pounds each, meaning that your precious cargo that you're bringing along with you is going to arrive intact and upright. Also, with the 8-foot ramp door, we do include the patio package as well. So you've got the really nice rail kit back there so you can get out and enjoy your campsite while not being far from your trailer. Also, every Raptor Carbon Series comes prepped for backup camera, all the way down to our aluminum sided models as well. We have a 10 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator and freezer. Lots of storage space in here to bring along as much food and provisions as you need. We all know how important that is for camping. We're also using Jensen electronics, and we've got cool lit speakers in the ceiling and on the outside as well. This unit also features a single AC standard with an optional second 15,000 BTU air conditioner and tankless on-demand hot water. In the bedroom here, there's lots of room for storage with opposing wardrobes on either side of the bed, as well as a full-size closet. We've got sizable underbed storage that comes with your folding table and a laundry chute. This unit also has an available 220 watt solar package and does come stock solar prepped. With a large fiberglass shower surround, lots of space in there, lots and lots of headroom in there as well. So other available equipment for this would be a 100 amp hour lithium battery, the second air conditioner, the bed system, and the patio package. Expect to see this anytime now on your dealer's lots. This has just been released and we are in full production of this. So if you want to learn more about this product, you can always visit us at keystonerv.com. You can use our dealer locator to find out the closest Raptor dealer to you, and we hope to see you soon.
If you enjoyed this little video, please like and comment and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, see you on the road.